Streets of LA. Bad news if you're a bounty hunter. My name's Jason. That's me on the ground. These other two are foul-mouthed street punks who I should have never underestimated. Pops always told me, you ever get in too deep, ask yourself, how did I get in this? How do I get out? And what am I gonna do about it?
I hope the tip is right on this ex-bomber this time. This is the third time with this guy. Now remember, he's got 2 hostages in there. So be sure of your shot. Knowing this guy's probably got himself wired to explosives.
Gotcha. That's Leo Bandini, my pops. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. He's white. My natural father died on a motorcycle accident before I was born. My mother married him when I was young. He nicknamed me Tolino. It means Little Hammer. He and his partner Stan are federal agents.
Remember, he's got 2 hostages inside. Go! Clear. Got hostages. Why, get that fire out! Stan?
That guy is crazy.
This guy?
Leo Bandini,
That's me.
FBI's finest. Here are the hostages, alive. Chained to them is enough C4 explosives to level the entire block.
Jesus, let's get the hell out of here.
If you leave now, it will
That's enough of you. Now you two relax. Stan, we got about 45 seconds.
Well, I didn't want to die like this.
Look, I need something to cut with. Shut up, you two. Here, this'll work. All right, Stan, go ahead and pick.
Christ, Leo, you know I'm colorblind. For Christ's sake, just cut the green.
No, it's either black or red, always.
Red is hot. Cut the red. For Christ's sakes, just cut one of them.
Blue.
I swear to God, I'm too young to go like this.
Join the club.
Sometimes people with good intentions get involved with the wrong kind.
Hello? Dad? Yeah. No. I can't go to the game. Remember those guys I borrowed money from?
I'm a day late.
Daddy will be home soon. Bye-bye.
On the left is Simon. On the right is Victor. They run a dangerous business of violence and drugs while their brother Nick is away.
I brought the money.
Can you hear the wind howling through my eyes? Can you taste my soul? I'm not your kind. Oh, feeling pressure all around me. I'm looking like shit in the eyes of society.
My partner Craig and I have been doing this work for 5 years. We both agreed this will be the last one. He's starting to think about his wife and his son. And as far as myself, I'm ready to settle down to a 9 to 5.
Hey, didn't you say you went to college with Teresa?
Yeah, except she graduated. You know, with Charlie on the way and my military background, this job paid the best money.
No. This place is great. Made you supporting your family, you know, you can't beat that.
I kind of wish I finished.
Could have been like me, not be able to use it.
Yeah, you went to SC, didn't you?
Yeah. Gonna be a school teacher.
You.
I like kids. I was gonna be a school teacher.
Check out the newspaper this morning?
No, don't tell me. Dominguez, right?
Californians can now sleep with a little peace since the apprehension of Robert Dominguez, better known as the bedroom stalker. Since the police commission has started offering rewards for extreme felons, bounty hunting has become a profitable way of making a living to those that are mentally and physically capable. Leading away with the capture of Dominguez is bounty hunters Jason Reed and Greg Abrams.
Let's do this.
Can I help you?
Yes, we need you from 6, we have a warrant.
Okay.
Trust me, man, I know this place. It'll be no problem. We'll get in and out in 7, 8 minutes.
106.
I know one of the tellers. She knows what money to give, what not to give. She knows what money to give. Listen, this has to go down. I have to do this whether you're doing it or not. We'll talk about your major cash. I want to cut you in. Alright, I'll talk to you. Hey. Yeah. Alright, let me call you back. Someone's at the door. Okay.
Michael Ray James, bail enforcement officer.
Yeah.
I'll go around back. Fast.
Sit down, man.
You guys are so slow.
Slow hell, me and Ray was the one that ran him over and killed you.
Where are your badges? What the hell ever happened to my fights?
You have the right to remain silent. If you do, you'll stay conscious.
Come on, man, these cuffs are too fucking tight. Besides, you guys ain't real police. You're a couple of lollipop cops. Friggin' mangy dogs.
You've been just reading his rights.
Yeah, it sounds like he wants to give up them rights.
Fuck you, you two are a joke. Couple of fucking police academy flunkies.
Most definitely wants to raise his
Fuck
rights.
you two dickheads.
It's payday for Victor and Simon, and those who owed them money
Ah, shit.
wouldn't for long.
Yeah. We're short again. Dude, you're sniffing $1,000 a day up your nose, okay? We're short. Guess who?
Charlie O,
Charlie fucking O.
how much is he at now?
10 G's, man. 10 G's, man. What does he think that is? Chump change? He hasn't paid us in 2 weeks. Does he think we are the Chump brothers here? I don't get it.
I'll pay him a visit tomorrow, and I'll take care of this.
We have to pick up Nick tomorrow. Nick.
Well, that's right. He's getting out of the pen, huh?
Yes. Jesus. He's gonna want to see Onyx.
You know what? That's not good for us. You don't need to be meeting with Onyx right now. He's a narc, an informant.
But you know what? Let Nick handle Onyx.
Just let me handle it myself.
Dude, you can't even handle your coke problem, okay?
Yeah, I don't have a coke problem. You have a stripper problem.
I don't have a stripper problem. You have a coke problem.
I don't have a coke problem. You know what? You don't worry about my coke. You worry about your problems you got with the strippers.
Just Charlie O. Don't tell him about Charlie O, okay? Nick, the Onyx will be enough on his mind here. Just handle Charlie O.
Fresh out of prison, it was time for Nick to see his former boss, the Onyx.
Onyx, I thought we were leaving. Now where are we going?
One more to stop, my darling. You look good. How are you?
I'm out. It's better than it was a year ago.
I want you to do something for yourself far away from here.
What do you mean by far away?
I want you to take your brother and leave the country. The reason they are alive, because I wish to.
How come I feel like we're being run out of Dodge?
Your brother have burned a lot of bridges. Here are 3 tickets to Europe, and I put $1 million in the account.
What if I choose to stay? Where do you stand then?
I stand behind powerful people. They want all 3 of you gone. Listen, Nick, be smart. You are not a young kid in the street 20 years ago, I know.
I'll talk to my brother.
Take care. This will be the last time we are talking together. Thank you. Arthur, fill up the jet. I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Victor, don't forget to tell Simon meet up here 6 tomorrow. Later. Jesus, I can't believe I got waiting out here in the sun. Shit. So why are we meeting here? It's private. The warehouse may be bugged. What's the word on the streets?
We got the crack business in South Central. And the yuppie faggots up in San Francisco buying the coke.
We also got black tar heroin coming in from overseas. Good. First order of business, I want that son of a bitch who had me sent up dead. Yeah, what's his name? Leo Bandini. Yeah, bind him. I'll take care of that son of a bitch personally. Onyx wants us gone. I want him hit also.
Don't worry, he's mine.
Watch your backs while I'm gone. Take care.
Hey,
Dad.
how you doing, son?
Good.
Hey, well, we'll go in the house and get a drink. I'm thirsty anyway, huh? All right, something. So, how's everything going at work?
Just work, you know.
What do you think, you're talking to your mother? I can tell when something's bothering you. Come on. Let's have it.
Just these kind of people I'm dealing with every day. Just makes me thankful that you raised me a little bit better.
Delino, I love you. And ever since you were 7 years old, I considered you my own son. That's why I raised you strict.
At the time, the next door neighbor called you a nigger lover because I knocked over his trash cans with my bike. That guy only knew what you could have did to him back then.
By me apologizing and walking away, I taught you how to deal with ignorant people by using your head.
Like you always told me. Ignorance is a man with a head with no screws in it.
That's right. And I wasn't about to raise my son like that. Whether he was black, white, or Italian. Anyway, your mom and I are going to Vegas for the weekend. Why don't you stick around here and keep an eye on the place for us?
No problem. There's Craig. Time to get back.
what are you doing out there?
Bandini, your ice cream, sir.
Pops never had a chance. I would have given anything for 10 extra minutes with him. Over 2,000 police officers showed up to his funeral. An early visit from my pops' ex-partner proved to be enlightening.
Hey, Stan. Good to see you.
Good to see you also. Come on in.
You know, Stan, there's something I've been meaning to call you and talk to you about. What's that? I need to know who you honestly think killed my father. What I think doesn't matter. Wouldn't you want to know? About 10 years ago, your father and I were after this international drug lord. His name was Onyx. Well, we never got him, but we put his partner and this hitman away. This guy named Nicolas Reign. He swore that he was going to kill your father if he went to prison. Where's this guy today? Is he in jail? He got out a week before your father's death. So did you guys check him out or what, Stan? We're sleeping. Him and his two brothers, they had an alibi. We had no proof. So they walked. They walked? I honestly believe that his two younger brothers, Victor and Simon, are the ones that killed your dad. They're still out there on the street, Stan. Jason, we're trying everything we can. Look, I gotta get going, okay? Say hello to your mom, will you? I will.
I needed more street info, so I headed to the hill to see my buddy Silo, who had connections all over.
These scores, game time, baby.
Man.
Like sometimes.
Oh, you on a team full of fouls?
Oh man, yeah. Look, let me get you a big.
Check out this view. Hollywood, Hollywood.
Right there, you're all too good. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and by the way, a boozer for the loser.
How you like living out here, man?
Hey, baby, it's Hollywood.
Man, it ain't too bad. How's the family? Family's cool. Mom's all right, you know.
Yeah, you know, I ain't talked to you much since that situation with your dad, and
that's part of the reason why I'm here.
say what? I just thought you came for that ass whooping. I need to know what you know about some guys named
Nicolas Reign and his brothers.
You came up here asking about the Reign brothers? No, Jace, man, it ain't no joke, man. Them motherfuckers own all the shit up east, up west. I mean, see that Hollywood sign over there? You talking about north, south? They run shit, man. Weed, don't know drugs, don't nothing come up in here, man, without them knowing about that. That's a death wish, bro. A death wish.
I don't care about what they're running. I think they killed my pops. So that makes all that irrelevant now. I'm going to deal with this. I know you got the connection, Silo. Can you help me, man, or what?
Look, man, I had a couple of homeboys in the bar. I can make a phone call, and maybe we can see what's up. But you keep this on the down low, you hear me? These ain't no boys to be playing with. This is big time.
Cool, man.
Your dad, I'll do this.
Yo, what's up right here? What's up right here?
Yo, cuz, hold up.
No, I ain't your cuz. That's first of all, this ain't your hood. Man, we here to see Rico, all right? Rico don't want to see you.
Why don't you let Rico decide that, homeboy? Oh, tell him it's Silo.
Say hey,
buddy.
Let him through.
Rico's tip paid off. I stumbled across one of the Reign brothers' operations, and obviously, it was during business hours.
Bruce, get the door.
Late? That's because you're not wearing my watch. My people don't like to be kept waiting. You got the stuff? Don't you think I come here empty-handed? Let's see it.
Now we can start to conduct real business.
It's not quite that easy.
It is that easy. You get on the phone, you tell your boss, we can turn 3 times this amount, twice a month.
All right, we'll meet with your people tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Good.
Here's the address of where you meet them at.
Handle that.
Hey, my car broke down out here. Is there any way you can come take a look at it?
Sorry, we're closed.
Was there anybody I can borrow your phone then?
I said we're closed.
Nice to do business with you.
If Victor and Simon call, tell them I'm on my way. And clean this place up a little bit. Handle that.
I said we're closed.
Whose shit is this, Tony? I don't know, man. Huh? Where are the Reign brothers at? Come on, Tony. Whose shit is this, huh? Tell me where it's at. Tell the Reign brothers more, Tony.
Victor! Some guy came in here, man. You're not gonna believe it. He fucked up all my boys, and he burnt the shit, man.
That's $40 an hour.
Hey, man. What's happening, man? How you doing? Cool. Hooking up with a couple rounds there, man.
How's it going today?
Real good. How's everything with you?
Pretty good. Hey, man, black guy and a white guy was in here earlier asking me a few questions. So, you know, I thought they were cops. Yeah, but I got their plate. Looks like they're driving a green Bronco.
You good looking out, Snake. Is my brother here?
Yeah, he's in the back.
Well, Victor!
Yeah.
Victor, you see this shit, man?
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, we went him through a DMV connection.
And things are starting to get hot around here.
Let's go. Don't worry, we'll find out who they are.
I hate fucking cops, man.
That lazy Larry. What is this, our third time bringing him in?
Yeah, something like that. He likes jail food better than his own food. Unit of recovery from Fat Larry.
Call up Nick and tell him we got this piece of shit already right here. Right now, all right? I can't wait any fucking long time.
Nick, we finally got that fucking our buddy, little brother Simon's on us. About to kill him right now. All right, so we won't kill him. But we'll have a little fun.
What do you say?
Said not to kill him.
What? Baseball time.
Baseball time.
Definitely, and I'm throwing this time, because you threw last time.
No way.
And I'm sick of you fucking always like trying to call the shots.
Woo! Get it! Come on! Hey, we're moving. Get it! Get it!
Get back up against the fence, baby. Strike one. Get back in the box, baby.
Shackles gone, walking free. Reach for the land. That they
What the fuck you even thinking, fucking coming looking for us, man? What the fuck you even thinking? Kill my father. Killed a lot of fathers.
Bandini.
Fucking walking Italian? That's your fucking father?
Nick said kill the motherfucker. Let's go. Let's get him up. Come on.
Fuck you and your daddy.
For 10 years in prison, motherfucker.
Say hello to your fucking pops up there for me, too. Tell him I said hello.
Get out of here.
How's the knife?
Only God knows why I didn't die that night. I finally got a chance to pursue teaching. The money wasn't the same, but hey, at least I enjoy going to work now.
Hi, Mr. Reed.
Kara! Hey, what are you doing here? School's out.
Gymnastics.
Oh, how you doing, Mrs. Weber?
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you also. Hey, you got a pretty smart one on your hands here.
I know. All she keeps talking about is that spelling bee contest next week.
Well, she keeps studying the way she has been. I'm sure she has a really good chance of winning.
The winners get to go to Disneyland for a whole day.
Well, you know what that means? No playing with your little brother until after you study tonight.
Oh, Mom.
Well, listen, I do have to go. It was nice seeing you again.
Thank you.
Bye, Mr. Reed.
See you at the spelling bee contest.
Okay, bye-bye, Kara.
Are you Jason Reed?
Yes, what can I do for you?
I work for CBN News, and we're doing a special segment on bounty hunters, and I was hoping to get a statement or an interview with you.
I'm sorry, I'm not interested.
Well, is it true that you and your partner had the best recovery record in California up until your last assignment in which he was killed and you were found beaten and shot in a garbage bin?
As I said, no, I'm sorry, I'm not interested.
Well, what about the rumor that you and he were set up and that you were supposed to be killed also?
I don't know anything about that.
Is that why you retired and decided to hide out and play teacher? Please, Mr. Reed, just a statement. Just a moment of your time.
My last photo shoot is next week in Maui. After that, I'm all yours. Or can't your brothers do without you for 1 week?
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
I don't know. It's just that we don't spend much time together because of your brothers and the so-called business.
Well, if it wasn't for my brothers and the so-called business, you wouldn't have gotten this house for your birthday. Yo, yo, yo! Top of the morning!
I left my cane. You know, Simon, you could try using your doorbell or the telephone sometime.
Who pissed in your cornflakes? What's with her? Same old, same old. She wants more time. You bought her a house, you give her time, the next thing you know, she'll be talking that marriage shit. Yeah, I know. That's not gonna happen in this lifetime. That's right. Ain't no bitch gonna get in the way of the reins. No shit. Now we get Victor straight on that one. Really? Did you stop the racetrack last night? We did. And Lorenzo wasn't there. So me and Victor paid a visit to his house. Kicked his door in at 3 o'clock in the morning. Got him and his kids up. Should have seen the look on their face. They're trying to empty out the safe.
I can imagine.
Trevor was like an older brother to me as we grew up.
Hold on, Jake.
He played a couple years of pro baseball until a knee injury set him out.
Trevor. Hey, man. You all right? What happened in there? You just injured my top instructor. He's a world champion.
He's teaching those people how to go out and intimidate, which is wrong. I didn't mean for that to happen. I just got some things on my mind right now.
Look, when you was in the hospital with that bullet in your chest, who was it got you back on your feet up in here training again?
You did. Why?
That's right, and it was you who told me to buy this place years ago. It just happened to be the best damn investment I ever did make. Now look, I trusted you then, you can trust me now. What is going on?
I got a strange call from Teresa, Craig's widow. She needed to talk to me, but not over the phone, so I decided to meet up with her.
Teresa.
Jason. Thanks for coming.
It's good to see you. So, how have you been?
Well, I'm doing better. Well, you look great. They did a tremendous job.
Thanks.
By the way, I brought something that you should have. It's actually something that Craig would want you to have.
It's Craig's gun. Why are you giving me this?
Go after them, Jason. Don't let those bastards get away with you.
My life is different now. I'm a teacher. I'm not a bounty hunter.
That's bullshit. Craig told me how good you were. He also told me of a secret pact the two of you had, where if one of you were to be killed, the other would hunt down the killer and bring him in. It seems as though someone's not holding up their end of the deal.
How do you think it feels knowing that whoever killed Craig meant to kill me also? And that they'll probably come back and try it again? Huh? How would you feel? Listen, both of us live in the same pain. Except mine is masked with fear.
Go after them, Jason. Don't let those bastards get away with murder.
For 10 years in prison, motherfucker.
Tell your fucking pops up there for me, too.
Toledo, I love you.
And ever since you were 7 years old, I considered you my own son.
Someone's not holding up their end of the deal.
Saturday morning workouts. A perfect time to let Trevor know what was happening.
I've seen a lot of things happen over the years, and believe me, you've been damn lucky.
Look, Al, I appreciate all the concerns, but
nothing. Just listen. It's not in my best interest to tell you this, but look at you. Shaved your head, carrying a bigger piece now.
that's just the nature of the business. Besides, you know it's more dangerous now than it was 2 years ago.
That's true.
Look, Al, I need to do this.
Who are you going to be working with?
We're going solo for now.
You think that's smart?
No? What can I do? Gotta get my feet wet. Besides, a good partner's hard to come by anyway, you know that.
Let's see what I got for you.
I need you to run a couple names for me.
Okay. Local or out of state?
Let's try local first. Last name Reign, R-E-I-G-N.
Reign? That sounds kind of familiar.
There's 3 of them. Nick, Victor, and Simon. They're all related.
Okay, I'll make some calls for you.
Trevor introduced me to Doc, who also had a friend named Richard, who would help us so-called clean up the streets. I found one of Victor's ex-girlfriends, who seemed to be a little bit unstable.
excuse me, I'm looking for Catherine. Is she around?
You know, that's me, but I think you're about 10 minutes early.
I'm not here for any photography work. I'm here to ask you a couple of questions about a guy named Victor Reign.
God, are you a cop?
No, calm down, relax. I'm not a cop. He tried to kill me 2 years ago.
Oh, God, of course. It sounds like typical Victor.
What can you tell me about it?
You know, if you would just leave me alone, I don't want to talk about him.
I'm not here to harass you. Look, I need to find out as much information as I can. Al sent me down here to see that you know something, so what's the deal?
Okay, Al's bailed me out of some shit, so I'll help you, okay? You know, I had a girlfriend, Victor cut up her face. She used to work here. She was beautiful. That son of a bitch. He's psycho. He cuts her face because he thought she was cheating on him. That bastard.
Can you tell me where he hangs out at, where he goes?
You know, Victor would kill me if he knew I was talking to you. Oh, God. Okay, I think he hangs out at some club named Pleasures. It's a strip bar. He frequents there a lot.
All right. As far as I'm concerned, I was never here.
Oh, I don't know, baby. Maybe on Sunday. No, I can't on Sunday. I'm going to Sunday school.
Monday. Let me look at my schedule. Monday? No. No, Monday. Oh, Monday I'm free. What do you know?
But yeah, I'll call you. All right.
So, all right, Doc. When we get up here, you jump out. You go around the front. Remember to get the Lexus. Trevor, you got the back. Rich, keep him at the glove box as long as you can. Okay, ram him, Rich.
Okay, baby, I can't meet you tonight. I'm a businessman, okay? Oh, shit. Right, hold on. I'll call you back. I just got bumped. Jesus, what the fuck was that? Hey! What's up here? Oh, man. Come on. Why don't you watch where you're going, man? We're in a residential street. What are you tailing me for? What are you tailing me for?
I got insurance. Don't worry about it. You know, everything.
God.
You know, why do you stop like this? I got insurance.
Jesus, man, you're tailgating me. This is a $50,000 car here. Oh, man. Oh, God.
Hey. Remember me? Yeah.
Trash can.
Bandini.
Fucking hey. It's Christmas time here, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'm Santa. I don't have any toys for you.
You probably got some pretty nice scars there, I bet.
I got a little something to live with. Sure. Let's get Simon. Richard, stay here with me. If he moves, hey, just don't want to county blast him. Like the snake he was, we found Simon hiding out in a corner at a local drive-thru. Slip. Where's Doc going?
I'm going to take the man and get him washed.
Let's get him in there. Come on. Trevor. Rich. Yo, Richard! Look in the bathroom. Look over there, Trevor. Richard! Rich. Found anything, man? Trevor.
Look, man. You don't want to go in there, man. No.
What's up?
It's Rich, man. They got him, man.
This just happened, too.
Hey, look at that.
Here's Richard's cigarette. Still burning. Victor's not very close.
Did it that far?
Listen, I'm going around the block. You check out what's happening around here. Be careful. Watch yourself, Trevor.
All right.
Get some.
A call came through on Simon's car phone. Star 69 led us to an aircraft hangar in the valley. Trevor and I were ready, and if lucky, we would find Simon and Nick. The Reign brothers were used to being the hunters. Now they were the prey.
You never know, but man, he's a good man. So I'm going to be proud of my sister. He's a lot of
The child's in He's restless in me.
Hey, that's that fool from the bar. Oh, shit!
Hey, don't let that motherfucker get away. I'm running back. It's time.
All right, man, get him. Oh, shit!
It's time to die, Simon.
You ain't got the balls to do it.
The suffering strokes He's got the torch in his hand. Melt the ice of despair.
I took Simon's money and gave it to someone he owed. Someone he could never repay back.
All right, Charlie, go get your stuff out of the trunk. You and I got to get going because we got to pick up Grandma in about half hour. Okay?
Okay. Well, if Grandma says I can go tomorrow, can I go?
Well, now, honey, it's not up to Grandma. It's up to me. So we'll see how clean you do your room tonight. What do you say?
Okay.
Okay, we'll talk about it a little bit. Let's get going.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh, nothing, honey. It's nothing. Come on in, honey.
Why you play like that now?
You better watch your mountain biking. That's what you have to do.
Okay. Man, it was good seeing you.
Nice seeing you too. Take it easy.
Hey.
Okay.
All right.
I will
Bye-bye.
call you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, lock up.
I will.
Nothing personal there, Mom, but your son got you into something you're going to really regret, your whole family. You all right, Mama? Don't worry about it. Put the gun down. Can't you smell that gas? She's gonna go up in flames. Think watching your mother go up in flames make you mad enough to fight me? What do you think? Look, no hands. Kick your ass. Come on, motherfucker. Come on. What do you think, Mom? What do I have to do? Just won't give up.
I can speak freely for myself and the other teachers. We're so glad that you came back to teach after your leave of absence.
Well, thank you. It's good to be back.
How did everything work out?
Everything went okay. I just had some family business I needed to take care of.
Well, don't forget that Monday morning at 8 o'clock is the faculty meeting. Will I see you there?
I'll be there bright and early.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Mrs. Hawkins.
Here we go, here we go.
city of angels, where bounty hunters regulate all known dangers. Slip into the soul of one named Jason. Can you feel his wounds? Shit was about to consume. He saw his own laying dead in a grave tomb. Now he's a walking time bomb with the face of a killer, and his whole life has turned into an episode thriller. To find the killers, but the brothers got to him first, and now his mother expects the worst outcome of her only son, lying helpless as she prays above to the